Your soul can decide if your spirit will follow God or if your flesh will follow itself. And therefore, if your soul is the one deciding, the spirit ought to overrule the soul. That's what I mean. If your soul overrules your spirit, this guy here will suffer. Do you know that and all these things, they are within this man? And it's not the decision of this man, it's the decision of this one, which is the soul. The soul, in your soul lies your intellect. In your soul lies the things that you like and dislike. For you to control that man, the body, how hard-hitting and totally fancy. Speak to your soul. And how do you speak to your soul? By your spirit. Are you hearing me? So when we are saying breaking the outer person,